what's up, guy? We stop here 1 second. And we're here with Uncle Leo. I know Dominic too. And we are about to see something real cool. Apparently it's a nest. We don't know if an owl or...
Oh, sorry.
It's alright. You have guys to see this. It's this way.
What's your head? Ow!
Somebody behind me. Follow me. Still no idea. I've never been here before. It's a pool someone told me that exists, but there's no track. However, we're still going. Good job, buddy. Gotta leave the bike here. That's the way. And you gotta keep going here. Yeah, watch your eyes. What you doing? Yes, we're gonna take a shower, of course, buddy. You like it, Noah?
Yes,
what's up, folks? How you doing? Enrique Morris YouTube channel one more time, guys. Batei. Oi, bom dia, galera. Deus bendiga a todos, hermanos, eh? And here we are in a gorgeous, beautiful day, you know. If you know this place, please give me a comment and let me know if you know this place. Because it's a very, very hidden place. It's located passing the third cachoeira of the Sapezeiro. And then keep walking until you pass a small forest of eucalyptus. And then keep walking no more than probably hardly 200, 250 meters. In the right hand side, you're gonna find a dirt track, as you seen right here. You see me right here passing? Okay, yeah. And then you're going into the track, very short, and that's it. You will find this beautiful, beautiful pool. It's right there. I like it because I imagine that pool with the rainy season, the water will be more clean and there won't be too much leaf here.
Hola, mi gente. Estoy muy contento de volver al vídeos de Enrique y también muy contento por conocer este lugar. Y es muy cerca de la tercera cascada de Sapezeiros y vale a pena, es muy bello, todo es muy...
Falou, Leo falou. Anyhow, I want to show you with the drone shot all the beauty of this area and likes, guys, the whole shot, the footage of the beautiful, you know, and piece of heaven here. And well, nothing else to say until the next time, Nora? No, until the next time.
The next time you jump the pool. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. What you gotta say for the people, Nora? You gotta say something?
Thank you to the waterfall and the amazing waterfall.
Oh, so gorgeous. Can I have a kiss on me? I love you. Till the next time. So this is what happens when you forget your spoon, fork, or whatever it is, you know. Save a life, you know. It works. Spoon.